one, 9.21, write structures of all the alkanes which on hydrogenation give 2-methylbutane. 2-methylbutane. So the answer is 2-methylbutane skeleton is, so basic skeleton is bit 4 carbons, second place contains methyl. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons, second place contains methyl. It is the basic skeleton. Then first of all, we put double bond in this place. Next compound, we will put double bond in this place. Next compound, we will put double bond in this place. So 3 structures are formed. Now I will write. So first double bond in this place, then C bond C, here CH3. So first double bond in this place, then CH2, 1, 2, 3, CH, 1, 2, 3, CH, CH3. So it is the first compound. Next compound, keep double bond in this position. Then C. So in this place double bond. Then write hydrogen CH3. 1, 2, 3 bonds, that means 1 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogens, here CH3, here CH3. So next last compound, keep double bond in this place. So then C double bond, C in this place C. So then here CH3, 1, 2, CH2, here CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, then CH2. Then we will write IUPAC names. So it is double bond. So numbering is given from in this place 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 methyl, 4 carbons means but. First place contains ene, but 1 ene. So third place contains methyl, but 1 ene. So in this compound we will give numbering from left to right 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is the 2-methyl. So 2-methyl, 4 carbons means but. So 4 carbons means but. So second place contains ene. So 2-methyl but second place contains ene. So it is the second compound. In third compound, so we will give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is the 2-methyl, 4 carbons but. First place contains ene, but 1 ene. So totally the compounds are 3. So it is given in the Neet and JEE mains also. So the first compound is 3-methyl but 1 ene. Another is 2-methyl but 2 ene. Third one is 2-methyl but 1 ene. It is but 1 ene, but it is 3-methyl, it is 2-methyl. It is the difference. And second one 2-methyl but 2 ene. So totally 3 structures are formed. So thank you. Please subscribe.